So stop and think for a minute. What is my face, my body? What am I telling them? Am I having really good eye contact with my potential clients or with just anybody that I'm talking to in any situation? Because eye contact is important. And remember, certain brain personality connections, certain brain quadrant dominance, especially your nurturers, the eye contact is very important to them, right? That is going to help them to feel more comfortable with you. Now, you don't want to do the whole staring thing with the eyes wide open and make them feel like, oh, this is creeping me out, right? You don't want it to be unnatural, but you do want to start paying attention to how much you're looking at their face. Because when you're not looking directly at them when they are talking, when they are communicating with you, it gives their subconscious the feeling that, hey, this person isn't paying attention to me. Right? So pay attention to how you are interacting with the other individuals.